Guys, welcome back. So I decided I was gonna keep my same birthday shirt to film this video, so bear with me. Okay, guys, so today I want to talk to you about a subscription service called mintMONGOOSE, and here's my little package that I got today. The shipping was super fast. Like, it comes from California. I live in Florida. That's like totally across the United States, and I got mine like literally in like less than 2 days. That was like insane. So that already is a plus for me for this company. So they actually reached out to me and they asked me if I would be willing to review their products. They are a jewelry subscription service. So I said, yes, of course, I will review and share with my subbies your subscription service. Okay, guys, so this subscription service is $12 per month plus shipping and handling, and it gives you 3 jewelry pieces every month. That's really, really awesome. I do have a coupon code, which I'm gonna put here. It's easy. It's my name, Barbie, and you can get your first box for just $10 with free shipping. So if you're interested, after you see this video, click on the link I'm gonna leave below. Use my coupon code Barbie. That's really simple. You can never forget about that. And you can get your first bag or your first month for $10 with free shipping. So that's already a savings of like more than $3. Let me tell you a little bit about it. You can customize your jewelry tone. I asked for gold. You can get gold or silver. There's also a preference if you want earrings or you don't want earrings. You can decide if you do want them or not in your subscription service. There's also a watch preference, so they occasionally can send you watches. You can say whether you want or you don't want watches in your subscription. And then another pointer, or another little info that they sent to me was a new subscriber's first box ships within 48 hours, and from then on the box will be shipped every 15th of the month. So every 15th of the month, they will be shipping the box to you. Subscribers receive an awesome free gift every 3 months. It could be a wallet, makeup, or a pair of sunglasses. So every 3 months, you're gonna be receiving like a little extra gift, which is free, completely free, inside of your little monthly subscription. And hello, sunglasses, makeup, or a wallet, like things like that. That's like amazing. And then you can also, what makes it really easy is that you can also skip a month. It's kind of like, I would say kind of like Just Fab. You know how like you're able to skip a month? So it says subscribers can easily skip a month or cancel their subscription on the website. So if you need to cancel a subscription, you just do it on the website, or you can skip a month if you're not able to be on that month, which I kind of like that, because one thing I don't like sometimes about subscription boxes is that you can't just skip a month if you're like not able. You have to actually cancel your subscription service, you know? I really love subscription services that allow you to skip a month. If that month is not a good month for you economically or whatever the reason may be, you're allowed to skip a month. And you know, like, that's awesome to me, because then you're just right back on track the next month. You don't have to like resubscribe and all this stuff. And then the last thing, it says that subscribers can receive 25 to 50% off everything in our online shop plus free worldwide shipping. And I read that wrong. It's subscribers receive 25 to 50% off everything in our online shop plus free worldwide shipping. So all of that is really, really awesome. Excited to get into my bag because I have not opened it. It's like completely sealed. So it comes in this really, really cute little packaging here with like a mint ribbon and a little stamp, I guess, of their logo right here. I don't know if I'm holding it upright or not. I'm hoping. I think it's like this, if I'm not mistaken. And it's called mintMONGOOSE, so I'm guessing that's why it's a little mint ribbon. Really, really nice, presentable packaging. Let's start off with that. So first of all, they include like a little candy, which is like really, really sweet of them to do that. And then your jewelry pieces come wrapped up in a little mint tissue paper. And then they include a little thank you card. And it says, yay, it's here. Be sure to share photos or videos of your new favorite mintMONGOOSE jewelry pieces with the tag #mintMONGOOSE to be entered to win a free month. That's awesome. And here they have their little like logo. Is this thing focusing? This is like, all right, so let's go in. All right. So all their pieces are like individually wrapped like this, and they all have a little tag like this, the 3 pieces. Okay. And it just says spend $40 on individual items in our online shop and receive your next box free. Okay. So the first thing I receive here, this is so cute. All right, this is a necklace, and it's a really long necklace, and it has this stone, kind of like a reddish brownish tone stone here. Very pretty. It's like so vintagey. Like I see this and I feel like it's vintagey. And then I love that they have like on the necklace their little, you know, like logo and stuff on the little thing right here. Why is it that I can't remember what things are called sometimes? So it's not gonna look good with this shirt because this shirt has like letters on it, but that's kind of like the length of the necklace. It's a really good length, very cute necklace. It's vintagey looking, which I kind of like. The next thing are a pair of earrings. Ooh, these are very, very pretty. They have like, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see if this thing focuses one day. It's like a green stone, like a very pretty green color with like shimmer on it. It's very, very pretty. I don't know why this camera is like not focusing lately. Is another necklace, and it matches the earrings exactly. So this is a nice cute little set with your little earrings and your necklace. Very pretty. So overall, I am pleased with the service. I think it's about like $13. I guess it's $12.99 plus shipping. I think it is really worth it. You get 3 nice jewelry pieces every month. I like that you're able to skip, that you're able to customize what kind of jewelry you want to receive. Like that's always a plus. You can customize your jewelry tone to gold or to silver. I would love to like receive another package but just silver, you know what I mean? I also really like that you can customize and say if you want earrings, if you don't, if you want watches, or if you don't. One thing that I'm wondering, I'm not sure, I can ask. I did get 2 necklaces in the same package. I don't know how much people would like that. I don't know if that's something that they usually do. It might be just because they're sending me some for review, so I'm not sure how it works monthly. That's something that I would like to kind of investigate further to see if I can make sure that I don't get like 2 of the same type of product in one. But overall, guys, I think it's a really good service. I love jewelry subscription services. I've had them before and I've really liked them. So if you guys are interested in this jewelry subscription service, don't forget that you can get your first month for $10 only by using my coupon code Barbie. I'll leave it here. I'll leave it in the description box, but I'm sure it's not something that you guys can forget easily. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Go check out mintMONGOOSE. Their shipping is super fast, which I absolutely love. Their customer service is absolutely amazing. All right, guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, as said earlier, and I will see you next time. Love you guys. Bye, my loves.